Come test drive the 2016 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.